talc powder can be used in rubber, plastic, paint, and other chemical industry as a strengthening modifier filler. Are you curious about how a talc ball press works? Clean up the sundries of the talc ball press before starting. Fix the bolts. Check whether the various bolts of the whole machine are loose and fall off. Remove the load before allowing to start the roller ball press. 2 talc ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. To the talc ball press feed. Should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the warehouse pressure will be adjusted to the best effect. After the end of each shift, all the materials in the silo of the talc ball pressing machine should be used up, and the raw materials should not be left behind, so as to avoid starting with load and finally stopping normally, or stopping in an emergency. This is the working process of the talc ball pressing machine.